Guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm here on Slick Deals. I want to show you some of the week's best deals on some tools, so let's jump right in. This first one is from Northern Tool and Equipment. It is a heat-fast LP air heater. As you can see, they're using it kind of like as a job site heater. This is going to be $56.99. It says you're saving $133. It was $189. 125,000 BTUs per hour. All right, so this is the Ryobi 18 volt 1 plus HP brushless jigsaw, and this is going to be 35% off. You can see it says it was $99. This is 35% off. It is factory reconditioned, it's saying, but I wonder if that's the deal with all their tools. But anyway, that's not bad. All right, so check this deal out. This is from Home Depot. This is a Milwaukee M18. It's a 2-pack. It's a 6 amp hour lithium ion red lithium forged battery pack. It's $299. It was $398. You're saving basically $100 here. And then I thought there was something where you can get it down to $250. I just don't see that yet. But either way, you're going to save $100 on these two batteries from Home Depot. Now, someone is saying in the comments, it's saying $299, but in the See in store clearance price, they're saying it's $249. So check your store for this because it may be $50 lower than it is online. So this one is $79. This is a Craftsman 20 volt max half-inch cordless drill. It does include one battery and charger. Now it says $79, but here on the right it says member deal, so it's an extra $30 off. If you're, I guess, a member of Lowe's, I guess you would just need to register. So this is the Kobalt XTR 24 volt. It's a 3-tool power tool combo. It's $189. It's saying $10 off, although when I looked at it on Skill Deals, or Slick Deals, I'm sorry, it said it was like $50 off. The price was like $249. So it does include 2 batteries and a charger. And you're getting the impact driver, the hammer drill, looks like the LED light, charger, and then a few different batteries here. And that's nice. It comes with a tool case that everything goes in. That's really helpful. Now this is a very popular deal from Flex. It's a 24 volt brushless cordless half-inch 750, I guess they're saying foot-pounds Torx 2-speed drill driver kit with 2.5 amp hour lithium batteries and a 160 watt fast charger. It's got high ratings at 4.6 stars. It's a $99. It's 45% off. It was $179. So that's a pretty good deal. You're getting everything pictured below there. All right, so check out this deal. They're limiting 5 per order. So this is $79 for a 1 plus 18 volt lithium ion starter kit, which is 2 amp hour batteries. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a 2 amp hour battery, a 4 amp hour battery, and a charger. You're saving $124. So you're saving 61%. This was $203. So this is a really good deal. All right, now this is the Kobalt 24 volt job site blower. It is the tool only. It's $59. And look down here below, it's saying you buy one, get one free. So you're going to buy, it says get one free gift with purchase of, and you can choose your gift. So the gifts you could get are the battery and charger or the free 2 amp hour 24 volt Kobalt battery. All right, next up is this Flex 8.5 inch 24 volt 10 inch speed fan. These are just some of the pictures of it. This is going to be $59. You don't see a price here. It just says view price in cart. So let's go add to cart, and here we go, $59.47. It was $119. Not sure why it just doesn't show you the price there. And there is a discount as well on this Flex 1.6 gallon 1 horsepower wet dry shop vac. It does say battery not included. You just have to click add to cart. I'm guessing it's just seeing where you're located, but it was $129. It's now $99 on this one. Now this is from eBay. This is the electric dual start fuel inverter. It's a 4,000 watt. It says 343, but then it says shop gifts early to get the $86 listed price. I'm guessing that means 86 off 429. Okay, so the price is going to be $343. It was $429, but you're getting $86 off, I guess they're saying. All right, so check this out. It's a Metabo HPT compound miter saw. It's a 10-inch miter saw with large table for woodworking. It's $92. It's 42% off. You can see here it was $159. So that's a really good deal. Now this is Lowe's deal of the day. It's their Werner NXT1A 4-foot fiberglass 300 load capacity step ladder. It's $67. It was $99, so you're saving $32. And it says it ends October 14th. It says there's 12 hours left of this deal, so hopefully you can take advantage of that. All right, check this one out. It's a Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt cordless. It's a 2-tool combo kit with multi-tool and 5-inch random orbital sander. Now it is the tool only, but it's going to be $69. So this is half off. You're saving you're saving $69. So it was originally $138, and this is a limited time deal, and they're saying limit 5 per order on this one. All right, so here we have an Icon drop point knife with ceramic bearings. This is actually going to be $10 off this price, so it says $39, but it's actually going to be $29. I'm going to show you the actual discount code here. We're going to scoot back. And you can see right here in the deal details, it says coupon code is 159-50881, and that is valid through October 27th. Now this is another deal from Lowe's. It's a Bora Next Gen panel carrier. It's the 38-inch by 18-inch steel plywood carrier, and you can see how they're using it where you just set the plywood on and you can even stand it up. It's got like a kickstand on the back. But it's $149, and you're saving $100 on this one. So this ends October 23rd. But you're saving quite a bit. You're saving over at least $100 on this price. I suppose you could use it on drywall as well. And check out this deal from Home Depot. This is a Ryobi 1 Plus. It's an 18-volt brushless cordless compact half-inch 4-mode impact wrench. It does include a battery. It's a free battery, a 4-amp-hour high-performance battery. It's going to be $139. It was $258. So you're saving 46%. You're saving $119. All right, here's an Amazon deal. This is from Greenworks. It's a 24-volt brushless half-inch hammer drill. 2-amp-hour battery and charger are included. And they also give you the little pull belt clip and the, looks like a chuck as well. So $59. It was $129. You're saving 54% with this one. Although I'm actually have not used the Greenworks brand for their drills, so let me know if you've tried one. I've tried the WorkPro ones, and those aren't too bad for like home DIY stuff. Now this one is the Yitahome 1,000-pound capacity scissor hydraulic lift table. Basically, it's like a locking hydraulic lift that's portable. That's pretty cool. Now this is $198. It was $400. It's 50% off. Come down to the deal details though, because you're going to need the coupon code PL01 at checkout, and shipping is going to be free. Yitahome, I think this is a new brand that was started on Amazon, but now they have their own website. All right, now this is a Bosch 34-piece drilling and driving mix set with the case. It says it's 52% off at $13.79. It was $28.69. And this is a little bit better of a picture. You can see everything that's in it here. A little zoom in. Now this is a Dewalt XR half-inch 20-volt max variable brushless cordless hammer drill with battery and tool bag. It's $349, but with the member deal here, it says sign in to get an extra $70 off. It says applied once you place it in your cart. And this is 4.6 stars out of 5. All right, now this is a bestseller Dewalt 20-volt max 12-inch brushless cordless battery-powered chainsaw. It is the tool only, but for whatever reason, they're only showing the discounts once you add it to the cart, which is kind of annoying. So I'm just going to go down here. I'm going to press add to cart. It's because I have 2 in here, because I just double checked that. But anyways, this is only going to be $89. It's just saying $178 because I already added one just to double check it. So this is going to be $89 for this chainsaw. So that's like half off there. You're just about half off. That's a really good deal.